Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make a black preset. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.60. Contrast to -2. Highlights to +4. Shadows to -60. Whites to -100. And blacks to +93. Next, go to Color. Adjust the tint to +20. Vibrance -14. And the saturation to -16. If you're done, go to Color Mix. Adjust the red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta as shown. But don't stick to it, adjust it with the photos you have, because the difference in brightness and basic color of your photos will be very influential. If you finished, click Done. Next, go to Effect. Adjust the texture to +36. Clarity to +32. Dehaze to -35. Vignette to -40. Feather to +76. Go to Detail. Adjust the sharpening to 14. Noise reduction to +24. And color noise reduction to +27. And done. This is before and after. And now, we're gonna use this preset to the other photos. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.
Down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.